Hello children, welcome back to MindSpark. Okay, for class 10, chapter number 12, surface areas and volumes. Okay, so previous classes I taught you cube, cuboid, cylinder. Okay, now I am going to teach you about cone. Okay, cone is in this shape. Okay, OP is the radius of the cone and OM is the height of the vertical height of the cone and MP is the slant height. Okay, there is a difference between L. Thus, L is slant height and H is the vertical height, and the radius is OP. The angle between height and radius is always 90 degrees because it is vertical. Okay. Now these are the dimensions. Okay, for cone. Okay, CONE cone. This cone also comes under pyramid. You have seen pyramid. Pyramid is in the shape of cone. Okay, so the base is here. Base is circular, and the top point is called apex. Okay, point M is called as apex. And if you fix this point, and when you rotate like this, okay, very fast, then you can see the top portion is fixed and the bottom is rotated at very high speed, then in a shape of circle, then you get a cone. Is it clear now? Yeah. Now for this triangle MOP, you can take separately. Okay, you can take separately. This is your radius, this is a L, and this is a H. M O P. This is 90 degrees. Okay, so opposite to 90 degrees is the hypotenuse. So when you apply Pythagoras theorem, so what is Pythagoras theorem? Theorem states that square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So other two sides are, which are the other two sides? OP and OM, and MP is the hypotenuse. So when you take hypotenuse, so MP square is equal to, that is the hypotenuse square, is equal to MO square plus OP square. Clear? So L square is equal to, MO is how much? That is H square plus OP is the R square. So L square is equal to H square plus R square. L is equal to, when you remove this square, you will get square root of H square plus R square. This is the length. Suppose the slant height is not given, then you have to find out using this formula. So H is given and R is given, then you can find the slant height. After finding slant height, what is the curved surface area? CSA, curved surface area of cone, is equal to pi r L. So pi r L. Before finding this, you have to find out what is L. You get the curved surface, CSA of cone. Then total surface area of cone is what? TSA of cone is equal to curved surface area plus pi r L plus, what is the area of the bottom? Bottom shape is circular shape. Then it is pi r square. Okay, pi r square. So TSA is equal to what? Total surface area is equal to pi r is a common. Understand? Both the things, both the terms, you can see pi is common, r is common. So what is left over here? L. And what is left over is 1r. So L plus R you will get. Okay. So TSA is equal to pi R into L plus R. This is so many square units. Is it clear? This is about the cone, curved surface area of cone. Now coming to volume of cone. What is volume of cone? Volume of cone is 1 by 3, okay, into area of the base, okay, base area into height. Always remember this. Whenever there is a pyramid or like cone shape, then 1 by 3 will come into base area into height. Okay. So, what is base area? Base area is pi r square into height. This is cubic units. Okay. So, the beginning you have to find out what is slant height and using vertical height and radius. Suppose diameter is given, then you have to use radius is equal to diameter by 2. First you find out that. Okay. Then you can find, once you find radius, then you can find slant height, that is equal to L square is equal to h square plus r square, and curved surface area of a cone is equal to pi rl. Okay, pi rl. Total surface area is pi rl plus pi r square. Where is this pi r square? This is about the circle. And total surface area is equal to pi r into L plus r. You take common. Okay, yeah. So square units. Then volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3. Volume is, what is volume? You can ask in the terms of capacity. Okay. So 1 by 3 base area into height. Okay, base area. What is the base area? Circular. Okay, pi r square and into height. See, very easy to remember. Okay, when you generalize, okay, 1 by 3 into base area and into height. Okay, so base area is pi r square into h. So totally you will get in so many cubic units. And yes, so with this I given almost all the details about the cone. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.